Ah. Nandito tayo sa La Grande Hermine
Or Hermine.
or Hermine. See?
It's a good area to fish though. Oh, let's go see the fun. Okay. No. Hindi pa naman ako nakahal.
Here at La Grande. Look at it, Hermine.
Oh, there. Let's go see guys. Ayan. Hi swans. Good morning. What? Good morning, swans. One's tired, guys.
Hello guys. There's some weird people. Oh, Jack, look, there's an RC car. I mean a toy car. Guys, look, there's a toy car. There's a toy car. There's a toy car.
Where's your timba? Yeah, we didn't expect that we were coming here. So,
No, I didn't know that there was sun.
yeah, I know.
Hi. Hello. Alam mo si Gane?
I know. Look at the beach. It's so clear. Right? See?
You see the guy fishing?
Yeah. You can come here fish. No fish?
No, there is
That side?
yeah, about 10 feet
Uh-huh.
or 10, 20 feet
Yeah.
that way
Uh-huh.
from that ledge.
Yeah.
There a fish jump.
Okay, go fish. For a while.
Yeah.
Just for a while.
No, it's okay. We're
That's
gonna go
okay.
soon anyway.
Next time.
Yeah.
Alright.
At least I found a new location.
Yeah.
Guys, there's no fish, so don't bother coming here. Oh. Again, guys, that's the ship. Lake Grande. How do you say that one? Yeah.
Marlene.
Pero baliman nga marinin.
Marine.
How do you pronounce the name of the ship?
Marine.
So, After this, guys, we're gonna go to Niagara Falls. But most important thing is,
Oh, look at that. Prince of Wales Hotel. That's the hotel? Look. So small hotel.
Small.
Yeah, that's their hotel.
Look how wide it is. And look, there's even a second. Oh wait, no, these houses just connected.
Mommy, there's a park.
You got a 3 plus. How come you didn't get a 4? Were you saying it like this? Mom, can I have a? Can you sew me a costume?
Nah, he probably started stuttering and he was so quiet.
He got a 3 plus because of he memorized them.
He's so gosh.
See? Daddy fishing spot.
Can you get a fish here for a little?
No, we're just gonna see. Yeah.
Oh, this is the waterfall. All right, this is the last destination.
We're just about done eating. Thank you, mommy, for the baked chicken.
Welcome.
No, my, that's bones. Okay, so guys, that's our view today. Guys, how do you like the chicken?
It's nice.
It's nice.
I'm cold.
How'd you guys?
You know I'm not the kind.
Hey guys, Jericho. Plate must be thrown. Okay.
Give me one.
Ooh, no. Plenty of parking space
Malay.
along the river. You just can't go down. I'll be back next year, or not next year. Sometimes. There's a road on the other side. Wait, no, that's the US, right? Ah, dang it! I was thinking, how are we gonna cross? I forgot that's the US side.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Mhm.
How do you?
Because that's the US side.
Where?
Anyways, we're gonna get back at you guys later.
Look at that. Come on, let's go to the floral. Clap.
It's like electric.
You should wear your. Look, Maya. It's a lucky fish.
Any big ones? Yeah. We catch that one.
Some of them are unhealthy. That one's healthy.
Oh,
Wait, I dare you to put your hand in.
It's not dead. Please.
So far.
Oh yeah, if you touch it and drink it. A better place.
Well,
USA.
I show you where we danced before. I think we stepped over here that time, then we have to do it here. Oh no, on the other side.
Oh yeah, you're right. This is where the sound came from.
On that side. Oh, they changed it.
Here?
They changed.
Where?
Oh,
There's
they
a.
changed.
Oh, I thought there was a
Yeah,
balloon.
this side. This side, look. Oh, we should stop here.
There's a balloon stuck on the wire.
Never mind, it's okay. Oh wow, look at
I
those
need-
trees.
Don't feel right when it's late at night and tell me.
50. Which one? Butterfly?
You don't wanna go?
Where's that
Right
butterfly?
here.
Oh,
It's like right there.
butterfly.
Bruh, we said falls, not butterflies.
You wanna go straight to the falls?
Ask your kids. No kids.
You wanna go here? No.
Oh, he probably watched that black guy singing it, and he thought it was fire.
Where will they put the lights? Which
Tesla.
part?
Along the park.
Along the falls?
Yeah. You know the park and we go down the thing. It's basically the whole stretch of the falls.
Oh.
But on the other side.
See, there's the bridge going to Buffalo. Is it?
Yeah.
Buffalo.
When I get home, I'm gonna listen to it.
It's the Buffalo.
Hiram. Street.
Hiram sa Diyos.
Kuripo naman dito, naghiram pa.
Hiram. Oh, it's nice. The bridge going to US. Hey.
Casino.
Yeah.
The first
Look
time
at
ever
this.
seeing a casino.
How they cut it. Look. So nice. Look.
Look at that casino. Look at the casino. Look at the casino. Look at the.
We made it!
You know.
See? It's so nice.
Take a look.
Ganyan.
Yeah, wait. It's nice here.
This is joy.
Hey, zip line. Joy. Wow, joy.
See there. See those lights?
Oh yeah, that's it.
Yeah, it's all
Oh,
of this.
Dad, Jaco's tired.
especially nighttime.
Yeah.
It's nice.
So we're gonna be here next week or 2.
We're here, Niagara Falls.
Look, there's
We're
US
here.
side.
That's the US side.
Oh look, there.
Yo, I just followed it and it went my eyes. I haven't seen a double bus here. For like 12 years.
Wow.
Good
You should
trip.
come here nighttime, okay? Then we just visit.
Okay, let's
those.
stay here until
Maybe
Look
Friday.
at that rip off.
Maybe Friday you can come. We just Daddy, Friday 4:30 we come straight here.
Yeah, but
A yellow
it
thing.
starts on November 13 or 14. think 13.
Huh?
Dad, can you close the window? It's cold.
Wait, it's raining. Oh no, it's the
No,
falls.
it's
It's the
the-
falls. It's the falls.
It's not raining.
I know.
It's free car wash. You don't wanna go? Yeah.
Wow.
Gingerbread.
Look. Victoria Place. Gift shop.
Is that supposed to be a gingerbread house?
Yeah,
I think, yeah.
we can eat
Oh,
it.
I want to see that at night.
Yeah.
Honey, honey.
Oh, wow. Look at this. Niagara Falls. Yeah.
Bro, look at that bird. It's trying to survive, bro. It's trying to survive. Oh, let's go. It survived.
Oh, wow.
Bro, look at the fall.
No.
Would you swear?
Would you pee?
No. It flooded, so they had to do this.
Oh, wow. What happened?
What is she be doing?
No idea. Maybe they know each other.
Oh.
That girl put her 2 fingers in. Yo, Mama, train!
Train.
Look beside you. No, the train.
What?
Like this train's going up.
Oh, look. Swan. We
Yeah.
have to come here at night. Yes?
Starts when? November?
November 13 or 14.
Oh, there. That's Friday.
Is it?
Yeah. Monday is 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, no. Saturday. So it just starts Saturday?
Wait, they made it one way? Huh.
Why? There's no more?
No, it says no right there and it's only one way now.
Oh, those lights now. Oh, here too. So look over there.
Look at the cup beside us.
Is there a bridge too going? No, they didn't finish yet, right?
I don't know. I can actually check. Can you go? Oh no, you can.
Oh, that's different. International Niagara Control Works. Oh, I see.
Dad, look at your gas.
Yeah, that's okay. Daddy will put gas later. What's the smell again?